Dang, bro. Already in the car, bro. What's going on YouTube, man? As I can tell by the background and the thumbnail and the title and all that good stuff, man, we got this car registered and up and running. And today is bike week in Ocean City. I was gonna pop up at Virginia and see what's going on, but we just gonna warm the car up, man, get it ready for being on the road and stuff. But other than that, interior coming soon. Y'all know we did the paint speckles with the on the pillars and stuff. Wow, 300 and all that good stuff. We got the lights for nighttime, so y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be lit. I don't know what we're gonna do for real. We're really just waiting for everything to get dark and stuff. But like I said, it's bike week. We don't know what we about to get into, but it should be a decent night. Excuse me, y'all. It should be a decent night. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna run this video up. And also I'm gonna keep y'all up to date on some other not builds, but other things we're gonna be doing to this vehicle very soon. But I hope y'all like tonight's video, and we're gonna kind of put this POV into action. So let's get into it. All right, y'all. I think y'all can hear it, but we're gonna get a little pull coming up right here. Yes, sir. Like I said, we ain't gonna do a lot of pat. There's too many cops out here, bro. Woo. So look, I'm gonna catch y'all once we get in the city, but I just want y'all to hear the engine. And yeah.
State Police ID 639, body cameras on, everything's being recorded. Just stopped because the license plate's not mounted on the back of the car there.
All right, they said I could put it in the window.
Legally, it's supposed to be mounted where that.
That's fine. I got you.
The tag is. Give your driver's license.
This the registration. Man, we done got pulled over already. So I gotta have it mounted.
I'm sorry.
I gotta have it mounted.
Yeah, it's gotta be affixed to the rear.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
You can see it on the
you
front.
You can hang on to that. Or wait, is that for your license?
Yeah.
Do you have that Alabama license you have there?
Yeah, but that's my license now. This is void.
License just for the photo ID? Alright, good deal. Is this going for here now?
Yeah.
And what's your drive record? Like any recent citations or anything in your drive record?
No.
Okay. No. I'll take a look at your drive record, and in the meantime, just please stay in the vehicle.
Alright. Yeah. It's cause, so look, y'all, it's cause we ain't got no damn, the tag right there. They said I could put the tag there. We got one up front, but I know they capping, like, I know they seen the damn tag up front, but it is what it is. It is what it is. They over here looking at somebody else. Man, come on, man. We'll go ahead and get a thumbnail. So look, y'all, they about to come back. We're gonna see what they do. Hopefully they just give us a damn warning.
Alright, so here's your information back. Took a look at your drive record. Looks like you have a clean drive record, so we can keep that way. Just gonna be a warning for the tag. So it just needs to be mounted there where the license plate goes on the back. Just try and do it as soon as you can. Law doesn't state how. I mean, you can zip tie it, duct tape it, whatever. You just make sure it's on the back of the car, not on the window arm.
That's what I did for the front, but
okay, yeah. Just try and do it as soon as you can. Like I said, it's just a warning, so no citations. Backside is information about the state police. All right.
All right, appreciate that.
Have a good one.
All right. Hey, I can just back up right here, right?
I'm sorry.
I can just back up right here, right?
Yeah. If you need.
Oh shit, I can go through there.
Yeah, if you want to go through the parking lot. Otherwise, yeah, you're fine to back up. Just let us get out of the way.
All right. So yeah, Chrysler one. Oh shit.
Nigga broke. Oh yeah. He's the one that never go broke. I'm not. If you broke, nigga, turn on key, I'll show you how to get you some money. Start your business, get you some property. That don't work, go buy your onion. Stack over 1,000, they come 10, they come 50, they come 100. They gon' flip it, they'll be your money. Keep on flipping, they'll be your money. Call me whatever you want, but I never be broke.
Damn, yo, he got a clean bite, boy. It's blue, baby blue. Man, good to know. Regular ass out the way. Nigga just got off work. Looking at that. Anyway, this shit keep falling down. I'm getting pissed, bro. Like, I'm over here patting and shit. People think I'm looking at them and waving at their ass. Hey, yo, this car funny as fuck, yo.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Oh, there it goes. Look at that baby blue. Anyway, they don't want me to run my shit. Yeah, get the patting out this bitch. Get the patting out this mug. You feel me? Blow my damn engine up and shit. You know how that shit be. Showing off for the wrong people. Let them do it again. I'ma rev that bitch. I'ma damn, I wish I had verbal tune, boy. This would be the nice time, bro. Okay, son. But yeah, this would be a nice time for a little verbal tune. I go here, hey, it's gonna happen though. Mark my words. I might have to say this clip, or somebody clip it. Do something, but I'm gonna clip it. And I'm gonna remind y'all just what I said. That bitch go wah, bah, 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 bah. That bitch gonna be smacking y'all. So, like I said, let me find the spot to park.
Gotta go up and get it now. Remember, man, you raise yourself, can't no other nigga beat you. Stay in your lane, can't nobody merge in it. For real, keep.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. It really ain't nothing going on, but we got the stars in the ceiling going crazy. You feel me? Good point of view drive. Not disappointing. You know what I'm saying? But ain't nothing too crazy going on, man. I thought we was gonna be able to get in something, but I guess we'll check it out. You feel me? But I ain't even gonna lie. I stopped on the boardwalk, right? Got me some cheesesteak. Man, that cheesesteak ran through me so quick. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't know. That was not it, my boy. I ain't even gonna lie. I was cutting up earlier, right? And I seen the cops. But you feel me? I had to chill out because I don't know where they at. It's nighttime. These windows, they kind of muggy. So I gotta play it smart if I'm gonna cut up. And then literally, what the freak, yo? Hey, yo. Hey, my boy tripping. I don't know where the hell he just went, but this a one-way. I don't know where he went, but yeah. Yeah, so stars and shit going crazy. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. We're gonna put y'all in some car content for real. Man, look at all this shit, bro, from me cutting up. Like, all this shit. I seen a turbo Camaro, a drag Camaro down here. Other than that, it's just hella bikes. But honestly, if I don't make no shake out of this, then it's just time to go ahead and ride home. We'll just vibe out by itself. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all once I see if something going on. Alright, y'all, so this gonna be the end of that. It wasn't nothing going on for real. It was too dark. I couldn't see which car was a cop car and all that other stuff. But I mean, I gotta put some lights, man. I need more lights. I don't like how dark it is up here. More lights, more lights, more lights. So in the next video, we're gonna be installing more lights. We're gonna install the ones that go around the whole dash. Cause I can't do this, it's too empty. So expect a new video with lights.